How's it going? What's up? What's happening there? Blessed beautiful souls. Kiara Cass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. So excited to be here with you guys, you blessed beautiful souls, chilling on my couch, in my space. And yeah, today, guys, I've got so much beautiful energy to show you on the beautiful Bitcoin charts right now. Of course, because today is the 1st of April, so we are looking amazing. And no, I'm not going to play no April Fool's joke on you guys. That would be fun, but I like to be a lot more chilled with what I share with you guys. So anyways, guys, let's get to the charts today. Of course, bybit link down below if you want to go and trade these charts. Of course, you can, in trading, do short-term trading, intraday trading. You can do long-term swing trades. You can do investing. There's multiple ways to invest, but I'm talking about bybit. You can buy on spot. I'm going to do another video for you in a little moment after this one that will show you about my bybit robots that are trading the futures on automatic with artificial intelligence, which is pretty cool, and how much profit it's already made me. So hit that notification bell so that you know when I let that video come to you guys, because that was one of the videos I promised you, and I'm going to make sure that that happens. So guys, without any further ado, let's get to this today. Please remember, smash that thumbs up for me, guys. You know the algorithm always is so helpful when you do that. Okay, so today, I'm not even going to waste any time. Dollar, let's have a look at the dollar in the monthly time frame. Dollar in the monthly time frame looked like it's dipped its toe in cold water and is literally pulling back up, which means that it could be waiting for a reversal, but this is an indecision candle at the moment. So and I will show you a few things about that in a little moment. And of course, the indecision candle, as I put my little sweat guy here, I've had him here for a little while. If we don't break above this green line on the dollar and close the candle above this previous candle, then if we do, then we'll come up to this level at the very least for a retracement of this pullback, and then we may create a double top. So we could range in this area for a little while. A lot of people think that the dollar is just going to collapse overnight. That's not going to happen. It will take at least a decade, maybe 2 decades to make a transition. I see 5 to 10, 12 years more or less, but these happen over 10 to 20 years, and currency changes over every 100 years, 100 to 120 years. So we're at that moment. So embrace yourselves for the changes, for the future. Smash that thumbs up if you're ready to take on this new beautiful energy of cryptocurrency, and if you're enjoying what I do, because I love doing what I do for you guys. So let's not waste any more time. Get onto the Bitcoin charts today, guys. Today, my usual Bitcoin chart on the monthly has done something Bitcoin has never, ever, ever done before in its history on the specific Heikinashi candles. And we've got a buy signal here from my indicator. We're above my indicator. We've got this pulling back. So even though, this is where the level of resistance is at 35, I still think we're going to pump up there. Even though we've got a little bit of resistance here, you can see that the wicks on the candles make a significant difference, because where they close is where the most support or resistance is, okay? Which means that and this is going to show you, I'm going to show you something now, but you see here, so this wick back up, it pulled, and look at the level of support that has here on that level of 35K, right? So what you're looking for over here is the candle of this month, officially closed last night, at midnight, and look at this, guys. We have the most insanely bullish candle. There is just a teeny tiny little bit of a wick there at the top. This entire candle is completely bullish, okay? So the entire candle has been engulfed by the bullish action and volume of the month. Look at every single candle here, and I'm going to open the chart. None of these buy and bullish candles have ever had a full engulfing candle, okay, ever in the history of Bitcoin, at least on the Heikin candles. You can see absolutely none of them. Look at this, none of them, guys. And this is the first buy signal that we have on the month. Look at that. I'm coming all the way back down to 2011 when it started. Absolutely nothing. See, absolutely nothing. Okay, guys, what is that saying? Look at it while I go back up all the way to the top, okay? See this. There is 0 candles that have been completely engulfing like this candle has, guys. This for me tells me that Bitcoin is extremely bullish. We've engulfed this candle, although there's a tiny wick up here. It's still very, very strong. And for me, as I say, there's not much resistance until the 35K level. So I do feel as though we'll make the pump up between the top of this box to there, because there is resistance above our head no matter what we think. And then that will coincide heavily with this. And if we reject it off of there, guys, I can't even tell you what I could expect there in the future for us. But for now, I'm going to remain bullish and positive at the moment, because essentially what I'd like to see is a breakout above I'd like to see us hit the 35, pull back down to this 28, and then smash up here to the 48, 50K level. Okay, that will give me very strong indication that Bitcoin is extremely bullish. And as you can see, guys, that will take a few months. I mean, look at this. 1, 2, 3, I mean, many months, 12 to 18 months, guys. Second bullish chart for Bitcoin right now. Look at this. This is Bitcoin dominance, right? Take a look at this. I've been warning and sharing with you guys that Bitcoin dominance, once it breaks out of this, and now this candle has also engulfed this candle, and we had a buy signal in last month, from last month here on the Hakanashi. And look at this. When we get a buy signal, guys, it pumps. Okay, so I'm not saying we're going to come all the way back up here, but essentially that is the highest resistance level on the weekly time frame. You'll see. But basically, if I'm looking at this could essentially come up all the way to here. There's a little bit of resistance at this level, so maybe a bounce there, and then a drop back, and then a bounce back up here. But essentially, what I'm looking for on the Bitcoin dominance now is essentially a pump up to here, a rejection back, and then a pump up to there, bounce up, and then maybe something like that for a retracement, something like this, and then a pullback, and then something like this. So guys, this is when altcoin season will very, very much so pump. But I'm going to tell you right now, the altcoin season will still absolutely go wild over here. It'll pump over here, it'll crazy pump over here, and it'll pump over here, and it'll crazy pump over here. It'll pump, it'll pump, it'll pump, it'll pump, and then it will pump. Okay, so you see what I'm saying here, guys? There's a lot of energy in crypto, and we're not even getting anywhere near. I said to you guys, 58 to 62 is my level of BTC dominance. The third and final chart I want to show you is the ribbons, which are the EMA ribbons, which now we've had our third candle in the Hakanashi, which is normally extremely bullish. And even if we did something like this first before this move happened, look at this here, guys. We pulled up. Yes, we had a 60% drawdown over here. I mean, then we had a flush out. I mean, look at that. That was literally almost a 90% drawdown at this wick of this candle. But that was a bullish indication that we were about to experience a very strong bullish momentum. So even if it did that, that would be okay. But what I want to show you guys is that essentially this chart, what we want, we've already wicked up above there. What essentially we want is this April month candle to close above this area, okay? And then essentially what we're going to be seeing is the fact that the ribbon plus this indicator here will essentially coincide and then converge. And what that will do is this one will flip extremely bullish, okay, as well as this the ribbon indicator will flip extremely bullish, okay. But for now, guys, we have to be patient, because we could essentially bounce there and then pull back before we do anything like that. So there is a bit of time to still get into crypto and dollar cost average into your positions. Be patient also, but make sure that you do it, because guys, I don't know, I can't say, but we may have actually hit the bottom, and I may be able to say that with good confidence based on some of these charts that I'm seeing here. So if you guys enjoyed the video and you want more content like this, smash the thumbs up for me, hit that notification bell, hit the bybit link down below so that you can long-term trade this too and make massive gains, because you could essentially do a crazy 800% pump times 10x. That's an 8,000% pump, maybe even more. Okay, guys, because essentially people are calling 180K level. So from, let's just say we get a pullback down to 20K, all right, 180K level, boom. That's also an 800% pump. Guys, 800% pump, still 10x leverage over a long term. Yes, you'll pay a bit of fees, but cool, you'll make a lot of money. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate that. See you on the next one.